Alright, there's the original axle. It only has 4 holes on each side. This one has 5. This whole piece here is extra. This boss here isn't used. It's used on the 8N. A tractor collector, he told me this was a Jubilee axle. As you can see, it is hitting the tie rods. I couldn't figure that out yesterday when I was going through a dip and tweaking the tractor side to side. Something was hitting and moving the wheel, but I thought maybe it was just the load I was carrying. I never could see that it was actually bending these things while I was scooping dirt up. What I did notice at the very first was in a certain position that tie rod would jump up. When I was turned all the way to the right and tilted right, this tie rod would be on top of this. But this bracket's flimsy enough to where it would pop off of it. I just tried to avoid it. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that. 19686.